Shoot your magazine, smack it in there.
Did it smack?
Drop your slide, that's good.
Yeah.
Drop your slide, pull it back and let it go. Okay, that gun's ready to go bang now. Now go ahead and, there you go. Okay, extend your arms out. Okay, bring this up. Wrap your fingers around each other like this. There you go. Okay, go ahead and get a spot on the center mass of the target. Remember, line your sight picture up, nice smooth trigger pull. Go ahead and fire when you're ready. How many rounds? Walk in up. Very good. Go ahead. Okay, do it again. Use the trigger now.
Yeah, I'm up.
There you go.
Be careful.
You're all right.
You're going to scare the hell out of them.
I know. Ooh, that's a good one. Hard to tell.
Lean forward a little bit. There you go. There you go.
Your slide's open.
Oh, I can count all 10. That's not very good.
That's good.
Well, at least I hit the target.
That is good. Count how many holes you have.
Alright, it's ready to go. You can take that back there.
Okay.
Good.
I keep anticipating. I don't even know where I'm shooting at.
You're doing fine.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
See,
keep it pointing down there. Alright,
No,
you
no,
leave that back. Go ahead
Maybe.
and drop your magazine.
on the left
Keep
side.
your muzzle down.
Keep the muzzle down there. There you go.
Yeah. Just turn it on the side like that.
There you go. Okay, put the guns down. Okay.